How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can import and edit STL files in Fusion 360. Now, basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just click on the import option. So simply navigate through the insert option. It's going to be this button right here. And then for STL files, you want to select the insert mesh option. As you can see, insert an existing STL, OBJ, or 3MF file. So just click on it. Click on the select from my computer, and then you want to look for your STL file. In my case, I'm going to be selecting this one. Let's click on open. Now, in some other cases, it won't be compatible, but generally that's how you do it. In here, you have to select the unit type. So generally, I'm selecting millimeters. And then for the position, you also have the ability to adjust this to whatever you want to. And then after clicking on OK, basically, that's going to be it. You can make all of the adjustments that you want to this specific model. So for example, if we want to do something like split body, we can just do that. If you're going to move your objects, just click on it and then you have the ability to move it to wherever you want to. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.